Imagine creating a professional website without writing a single line of code. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what Webflow AI makes possible. In today's digital world, having a website is extremely important for businesses, freelancers, and content creators. But for many people, learning coding or complex design tools can be difficult and time-consuming. This is where Webflow AI becomes a game changer. It uses artificial intelligence to help you design and build websites faster, smarter, and much easier than before. Webflow AI is designed to simplify the entire website creation process. Instead of starting from scratch, you can simply describe the type of website you want, and the AI will generate layout ideas, design structures, and even helpful content suggestions. This means beginners can build beautiful and professional websites without needing advanced technical skills. With just a few clicks, you can create a modern website that looks clean, organized, and ready for visitors. One of the most powerful features of Webflow AI is its ability to provide smart design suggestions. It can recommend the best color combinations, typography styles, and layout structures that match your brand or project. The AI also helps make sure your website is responsive, which means it will look great on both desktop and mobile devices. This not only improves the user experience but also saves a lot of time for designers and developers. For freelancers, Webflow AI can significantly boost PR. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we work, and Webflow AI is a great example of how technology can make complex tasks simple. Whether you want to start freelancing, build a business website, or launch an online project, Webflow AI is definitely a tool worth exploring. It